So we came here from the Joint Action Committee of the Master Workers and Labour Union, which consists of two labour union of Meghalaya. So we had time and again had given memorandum representation to the Chief Minister Kanwal Sarma with regard to the issues which confronted the livelihood of the Master Road. So regarding this, till date, since 1 year ago, we had given no reply from the Chief Minister office or from the Chief Minister who hold the personnel department, in charge of personnel department, nor even a reply. So till date, since we don't have anything from the government, so what we from the Joint Action Committee need to raise the issues with regarding the Labour Code 2025, where the Government of India, we had seen through the newspaper that the Parliament even had passed a Labour Code that it should implement in every state, and Labour subject also is of the Union Government. So we are surprised that the Government of Meghalaya, since last November till date, have not given any notification to implement the Labour Code here in Meghalaya. Because if Labour Code is implemented here, the labour or the daily minimum wages workers who engage in different departments or in the private sector, they will benefit very much because one, it comes with social security. Number two, who work in industrial also, they will benefit from it. And another thing is regarding the retirement age, where the Labour Code had clearly mentioned that the workers should retire on the age of 60. So there's also a pension benefits as per this Labour Code. So social security also, while in service also, it's there. And another thing, if the implemented wisely, we have the Employee Provident Fund, where the master workers or the workers' daily minimum wages, they will benefit from this. But still then Meghalaya would come with the master workers or daily minimum wages workers. The government of Meghalaya not implement the Employee Provident Fund. So number two, with regard to the inflation, we here as per the market rate, we are surprised that the last November, the Government of India had slashed the GST rate for essential commodities. But when come to our state Meghalaya, we are surprised that the supply department or the government of Meghalaya have not issued any notification in order when come to the consumer price index. Where we experienced in the last few years back, the government, given the rate of the government, but till date, we haven't seen anything. So what is happening, like we buy one per egg, it costs us 10 rupees. But the paneer in other states, the rates come down. So this, the labor, most of the labor, we only depend mostly on the egg, dal, but dal also has 100 rupees per kg. So it's affect the livelihood and the security. Now we don't know what will happen in near future. So this, we had demand from the government, even to the Chief Minister right from the month of November, have a meeting. Let us meet and discuss and talk on this issue. But till date, Chief Minister himself had invited for a talk, which is very disappointed.